Hello students, very important reaction, that is aldol condensation. For you can see, for giving this reaction, aldehyde or ketone must have alpha hydrogen. Must have alpha hydrogen. The aldehyde or ketone which have alpha hydrogen give this reaction in the presence of dilute alkali. For example, acetaldehyde, or you can say ethanol, acetone, acetophenone, they can give the aldol condensation. In this video, I am going to tell you about the reaction taking place between acetone. Reaction taking place between acetone, or you can say propanone. CH3CO. This is acetone, or you can say it is propanone. It is propanone, or you can say acetone. Another molecule CH3COCH3. This is also propanone. Propanone, or you can say propanone. In the presence of base, calcium, in the presence of base, dilute, it may be barium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. This alpha hydrogen combines with this oxygen to form CH3CH3COH. Now this carbon will bonded with this carbon, CH2COCH3. This is, you can say, it is a compound having alcohol group as well as ketonic group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 hydroxy, 4 methyl pentuone. This is a, you can say it is aldol. Now dehydration takes place of 4 hydroxy, 4 methyl pentuene, OH and 1 hydrogen from this one to form dehydration occurs to form CH3C double bonded CHCO CH3. This CH3C double bonded CH2 CO CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. This is 4 methyl. It is 4 methyl pent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 in 2-one. This is a final product of aldol condensation reaction taking place between two molecules of acetone. Yesterday I had given the reaction, the aldol condensation taking place between the two molecules of ethanol or acetaldehyde. This is a reaction taking place between acetone. Next is aldol condensation between the acetaldehyde and acetone. Aldol condensation between the acetaldehyde and acetone. It means ethanol and propanone. This is acetaldehyde, or you can say ethanol. This is ethanol or acetaldehyde, and other molecule is acetone. This is acetone, or you can say propanone. It is ethanol and it is propanone or acetone. So what will happen? This alpha hydrogen will make bond with the oxygen atom in the presence of dilute alkali. In the presence of dilute alkali, CS3H COH CH2 COCH3. Now this is a compound which has this one has both groups, alcohol groups and ketonic group. Now dehydration takes place, oxygen molecule eliminated from the compound, and you will get CS3 CH. Now there is a double bond between the CH COCH3. COCH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent 3 in 2 on. This is pent 3 in 2 on. Now you can take a screenshot of whole reaction. Then I am going to explain the next reaction. Now aldol condition between acetone and acetaldehyde. Previous reaction I had acetaldehyde and acetone. Now acetone and acetaldehyde. In this reaction, alpha hydrogen of ethanol or acetaldehyde will be used. CH3CH3CO. This is acetone or you can say propanone. Acetaldehyde means ethanol, CH3CHO. This is acetaldehyde. This is acetone and this is acetaldehyde. Now what will happen? This hydrogen atom, this alpha hydrogen will make bond with this oxygen atom in the presence of dilute alkali. CH3 you will write in the same manner. COH. Now this carbon and this carbon. This is the carbon and this carbon will make bond with this carbon atom. CH2. CHO. This is aldol. This is also aldol because it has aldehyde group as well as the alcohol group. This is aldol. While its IUPAC name 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 hydroxy 3 methyl butanol. Now dehydration of this compound will take place. Dehydration of this compound will take place to form unsaturated aldehyde of this one. This is molecule related as a water molecule, and the product will be CH3 C double bonded CHCHO. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3-methyl but 2-in 1-ol, yeah, 2-enol. You can but 2-enol. 3-methyl but 2-enol, yeah, but 2-in 1-ol. You can write whole reaction. You can take screenshot of this whole reaction. When the reaction takes place between, or you can say when the aldol condensation occurs between two different molecules, like this one is acetone and other is acetaldehyde. It is called cross aldol condensation. When similar molecules are taken, both molecules are of the same, both molecules are same, then aldol condensation. When different molecules are used for the aldol condensation, it is called cross aldol condensation. And when the two different molecules are used and both have alpha hydrogen, then certainly there are 4 products are formed. For example, in this reaction aldol condensation, whatsoever I have told you first, when aldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetone are used, self-aldol condensation takes place between the molecules of acetaldehyde, between the molecules of acetone, and third one is when the alpha hydrogen of acetone is used, and fourth one alpha hydrogen of the acetaldehyde is used. Then product is different. If the two different molecules are used having alpha hydrogens, then 4 products are formed.